after throwing away 4 typical Teflon pans, like best they sell, like whatever you buy, but all of them, they don't last more than 6 months, even with wooden utensils. These ones, Solidteknics, I randomly discovered them, made in Australia, from Australian iron. They're super nice pans. Like, I don't think I would buy any more pans. These should last for a lifetime. So I'll quickly show you the performance, but roughly, yeah, this is your typical cast iron. Ooh, super heavy. I can't lift with one hand. This is your 35 wok, 30 centimeter, and 26. Super light. They're super slippery, very nice finish. And this one, yeah, this one very good pan, but it's just so heavy. I can't lift it. So Solidteknics in action. This is 35 wok, almost seasoned, not quite. This one 30 centimeters. And this one 26. So you can see this one's the most seasoned, not so seasoned, and roughly, yeah, the same as this one level. In terms of cleaning, you can see how much burn on these pans. It looks pretty bad, but once you start cleaning, it's actually super easy. So best to have a dedicated sponge for all your carbon steel pans, the cast iron. It's gonna get pretty dirty compared to a normal one. Alright, and let's start. So just hot water, no soap. There's nothing on this sponge. Whew, super hot. Just rinse this hot water. I'm using this sponge as a kind of like holder so it doesn't get dirty. With this carbon steel, the beauty is all the caramelization, browning, or whatever the term is. It's like you can't get it from any other pan. It's super durable. It's made, I think, from one piece of material. It's just pressed, so there's nothing welded, no bolts, no like nothing. It's one piece, so it will never break. The handle seems pretty good, doesn't get too hot. Very comfortable to maneuver. With this one too, it's 30 centimeters. This one, 35 centimeters wok in raw finish. Yeah, and you can see, just give it some time, don't scrub too hard, nothing, like, it will come off. And while it's running, let me just get some hot water on this one. So this one was the first one. You can see it's the most seasoned. Here we have the 35 centimeter wok in raw finish. This one 30 centimeters in satin finish with a handle, with extra handle, and this is 26 centimeter. And this is our typical cast iron. In terms of like cooking and performance, they perform exactly the same as your typical cast iron, but it's half the weight at least. I think it's even lighter than half. The seasoning was pretty easy on the satin finish, a little bit more work on raw, but overall these are like superb pens. I rarely use this one, just mainly because of the weight, because when you try to move things here and there. If you're tired of throwing away non-stick Teflon pens, get carbon steel instead.